I'm again Alice.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog.
Hi, good morning.
I'm again Alice.
Okay, nakapag-intro ng lahat. So today guys is bumiyahe ang aming team. Bumiyahe ang aming team dito sa Roxburgh dahil meron silang activity dito yearly. Dahil every summer lang kasi yung mga fruits, so this is the activity once a year.
Hi, doggy.
So doon na tayo galing sa counter pala.
Mommy is scared of the dog. Oh, it's so big.
Sige.
It's okay.
Scratch? Yeah, scratch. You want scratch? You want to play? Wants to play, D. The dog wants to play. Go. So last year guys, dito kami galing. Bagong trees pala to. At doon kami pumunta sa medyo pinakamataas dito. Maliliit pa. Pero baka maganda na to.
That's tractor.
Yeah? Okay, let's go. Let's try to ride that tractor. Let's go.
No, it's waiting.
Let's go. Try the tractor.
The window. The window.
Yung anak namin kagagaling lang sa sakit kaya medyo paus. Thank you. Isang cherry is worth $15 per kilo. Pipik tayo ng mga how much? 10 kilos? Isang sako? Z, look at this!
Wow. It's a cherry. It's a cherry. It's a cherry.
Show to the doggy.
Dude, it's a cherry. It's a cherry.
This is a
Cherry
cherry.
tree.
You want to try? The doggy is eating the cherry? Uy, nagkaon ng doggy sa cherry.
Kasi kasabaan nila na pwede pa.
Hindi kasi kakaon kita na siya let's go.
For sissy.
Dito ta sa medyo likod kay mga rare pa na dito. Uy, bebe doggy be. Bebe, fetch. Ready? Steady. What's it? Very good dog.
Sissy,
Oh.
fish and daddy's
Fetch man.
ready. Get
Set.
set, go.
Go. Uy. You throw mo yung car.
Yes.
Okay.
And fish.
Okay, go. Go to mami na. Wow, sobrang dami.
Daddy.
Sobrang dami Fetch again, fetch. Mami. Here. Mami. Very good si Mami. Na-fetch. Give to Zizi. Doggy. Si Zizi is picking the cherry. Baby, try to eat if it's sweet. Sweet?
Yeah.
What will you say?
Get your
Be show to daddy, be
Get
show.
your daddy.
Thank you daddy for
cherry.
For Cherry. Oh, go to mommy na. Let's go. Oh, the dog is there. The dog again. May give, fetch na, fetch. Ready, set, go. Give to,
Give it sister.
give.
Sister to what?
Give doggy. Doggy, give. Ready? Oh, sisi throw. Ubo, ang laway kay Do. Ang laway. Go. Uy, very close lang man di. Now, let's go.
Daddy, a car.
Let's go to the mommy go first. Last year andito din kami pero sa ibang ano kami area. Mas maganda dun sa kabila kasi mas malaki yung mga puno dito. Mga bagong tanim. Pero marami pa rin.
Mami.
Oh, pero iba yung ano kasi yung mga matured na talaga ng mga puno. Nice, sige. Yummy? Lami siya, guys. Ay, feel ko mas sweet dito sa kabila. Quality. Sakto, guys, panood to na. So pwede na to. Meron daw ano na bawal daw kumain eh. Merong nagsabi na bawal kumain pero hindi ko lang sure. Yun daw Muslim na rule sa mga cherry picking. Bawal kumain.
Apil na tanana sa gindagan.
Look at that, oh. Nagatago lang sa dahon.
I go against sin.
The cherry pick.
Cherry pick as a big with the basket.
Yan, put in the basket.
Inside the basket.
And the color of the cherry is
Color red.
color red. May show na mouth, be? Hi! Buti na lang talaga, guys, ang panahon dito sa Roxburgh is mainit. Hindi tulad doon kanina sa Dunedin. Masyadong malamig kasi umuulan. Pag umuulan kasi kahit summer, parang winter na rin eh. Lumalamig. Sarap, guys. Where's the seeds? Huh?
Hiding.
Oh, eat. Buong ka laway kay Ido kay nadra na mo. Wow, mommy.
Mama.
Oh, help mommy put get cherry and put in the bucket. Oh,
Uh-oh.
help mommy.
Aka na madagko, baby, ha?
Dagko daw di. The big one. A small one man na. The big one. Look for the big one.
Big one.
Eat.
Oh, I put a bucket.
Can you give daddy in the mouth? Put in the mouth, pidi? Pidi?
This is small.
A small one, get the big one. There, oh. This one. Give to daddy.
Fetch. Small one.
Grabe, the best, guys. Ang world class. Uy, mini na, hold be. Hold this one. Hold the bucket na video. Oh.
With this many cherry as green ala with basket.
Oh, okay.
Inside the green.
It's the green basket. It's a blue basket.
Ay, ko nang gagmay.
Maganda dito, guys, kasi abot din ng mga bata. Enjoy din sila mag-picking kasi abot naman nila. Abot ng mga maliliit na tao.
Sumukha ni mo, eh. So,
Ewan ko lang kung klaro sa video, pero marami, guys, nakatago lang sa mga dahon.
nami kay dili nakakinanglan sang ano ba?
Isang hagdan.
Atong hagdan.
Gani. Pwede,
I like it.
pwede siya sa maliliit na tao. Pisan man siya mag-picking. Oy. Pisan mag-picking. Oy.
Gana kayo nakaon, darling.
Ha?
Gana kayo ako nakaon.
Ano yan? Para sulit.
Alam kaya niya akong quart.
Saan nga matatagpuan ng cherry farm na to?
Lake Roxburgh Orchard.
Yes. Kung gusto nyo pumunta dito guys, check nyo lang website nila or Facebook page sa Lake Roxburgh Orchard.
Awa, good na oyang nakuha, oh.
Ano?
Natanggal ang mga...
Natanggal. Kuya, natanggal.
Kuya, natanggal.
Natanggal. Ikaw si Kuya, natanggal. Nini, go.
Dangle.
Again. Kuya,
Tanggal.
natanggal.
Kuya kitanggal.
Kuya, natanggal. Kuya,
No
natanggal.
more na ano, oh. No more na seed.
No more
oh.
seeds na, go. Eat na lang. Ay. Harvester lang siya.
Agoy.
Harvester lang siya, hindi na siyang kaon. Kasi oh, puksi lang. Eat. Show to the vlog the eat, si.
It's cold.
Oh, it's cold. May show na eating, be? Ice. Piliun lang ang class A, no?
Sayang wala nila na abdan ba?
Nisi na.
Ano dati sansi?
Ulay fruits, no? Nakaabot sila ng apple. Tunumok sila sa kilidalan.
Tapos naman ko rin.
Uy, mga ganyan ang pormahan ba? Okay, mga ganyang pormahan. Alam ko na yan.
Flying car.
Alam ko na yung pormahan na yan.
Mommy, flying car.
Ano, Zee? Change na pe? Change na pe in the cherry farm?
Flying car.
Damo na? Ay, damo na.
Pila na makikita.
Pila kaya nabutang ko daway gid ba?
Wala gid eh.
Sige lang, tingnan ko.
Anong dagko may deha? Dili ala ka nang itom gid kaayo.
Halos lahat ng nagpipiking dito, guys. Lakas kumain. Marami na, guys. Sobrang siguro ni 3 kilo. $50 lang kasi yung cash namin nadala. So, sa $50, 3 kilo lang. Baka sabihin mo na wala akong tulong dyan. Ay, dapat pala mag-pick ka ng cherry. Yung may ano, yung may ganyan. Kuhain mo yung 2. Kainin ko itong 3.
Where's the car? Mommy,
Ganina pa na si Zinga gaano.
where's the car?
Where?
Halos mga sanga meron eh. Nakatago lang sa mga dahon. Siguro kung walang dahon to, puro cherry lang. Marami tingnan.
Emergency.
Well, let's go.
So yun lang guys, parang 30 minutes lang. 30 minutes lang naka 3 kilo at saka 5 kilong kain. Kailangan linisan natin to guys para walang ebidensya.
Uy, mana, uy.
Ano na? So yun na guys. Tapos na ang picking. Another ano naman. Tapos ang picking next year na naman. Or maybe babalik again.
Akong lips.
Babalik this year. Tingnan natin.
Alang ko this year na.
Nanganin ang this year. Bakit?
Ezra!
Di. Let's go na di.
Ay, daghan pa kayo tao.
Didi. Amin na.
Wow, vroom vroom.
Hold the steering wheel. Sit down. Wow.
so big.
Oh, so big. Oh, what is this?
It's a steering wheel.
Steering wheel.
My what's it turning?
How about this one here?
It's the engine.
Engine. How about this one?
It's a tire.
Wow. How about this one?
It's a chair.
Chair.
Spinning it's a tractor.
Uy, sabit.
Thank you for the wonderful world and the sky and the moon and the sky.
Okay.
And the birds and the trees and flowers and the bees and the butters. I love it.
Uy, it's a big one. Hold the head lang. Hold the head.
Sika.
Kind. That's a very kind. Throw it very far. Go. Uy. Again, ready? Set.
Go.
Go. Uy, bangga.
Go.
Oh, ready? Get. Uy.